Ew. Hello everyone, I am sick. I sound like I'm dying. My voice is low. So how's your day?
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Anywho, so today's video, I'm going to be doing special effects. And I haven't done like special effects on like camera, so bear with me. But like, I'm not using like special effects makeup. I made sure all of this wasn't toxic. So we're using glue, cotton balls. So yeah, and if you're gonna do this, get non-toxic Elmer's glue. Let's just get started. First, you're going to sketch out a little area or whatever.
Booty, give me that booty.
That looks like Africa. We'll unravel some cotton balls. You're going to take smaller pieces, take some of your Elmer's glue, and then place it right there. For that to dry. I had let this dry for like a good 10 minutes. So I'm going to take some of my airspun powder and then I'm going to dust on a bit with a powder brush. It is time for eyebrows because I do eyebrows before foundation. I look great. I feel fabulous. Now we just apply foundation using our blender. So now that we're done, we're going to set that with powder. She cute. Now that that's baking, we're going to start contouring. Now, for this part of the video, we're going to fill this part in. We're going to go in with thread, so I'm going to take this brush and go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette into this red shade. I'm going to go in with this brush. Now I'm going to go back in with that red. I think I didn't really think about this, so I'm just going to like darken up that eyebrow with that black that's also in the palette. We are going to go into a brush like this, and then we are going to add some dimension. I have some excess black. Now, we're going to go back in with that same red on top of the black. Now I'm like spreading this out a bit over like the border area, so it will be like a little bit more messy. Now we're going to use this kind of brush, and I'm going to dip into a little bit of that white. Just dirty it up with a little bit of black, and then we're going to become Harry Potter, and then just yo, white contacts would be like so dope with this. I'm going to go in with a little bit of brown just for that crease area. Now for the regular side, go on with liner. .301 lash. Then for this side, we're going to do not even a wing. Okay. We're going to add a few. To finish everything off, I'm going to take this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. That's done. I decided I'm gonna go with like the black from that lip palette.
Prince Street, August 14th, a Soho bar, a speakeasy.
This is the finished look. I'm happy with it. I think it came out nice even though I just winged it. Sorry for being like a sick sister. I hope you like this. I feel like this is something new and fresh and different for me on this channel, and I want to try and do more than just regular makeup, and like I just wanted to adventure out more, you know? So I think he's decent. I think he's cute. I like the black lip with the pink eye. The black lip with the pink eye. Thank you for supporting me. I love you all so much, and this means what am I talking about? I didn't really do anything. But yeah, thank you. Bye.